What do you get when you take the capabilities of a powerful robot pool cleaner and then add in the aesthetics of a luxury sports car? Well, that's exactly what iGarden set out to build, and honestly, the first time I pulled the M1 out of the box, I just sat there and looked at it for a second because this thing is beautiful. It doesn't look like a pool cleaner, it looks like something that belongs in a showroom. Today, we're taking a look at the iGarden Pool Cleaner M1. And this isn't just another robot pool cleaner. I mean, you could tell just by looking at it. This is a complete rethink of what a pool cleaner should be. iGarden built the M1 around a supercar-inspired design philosophy, and you can feel it in every inch of this thing. The body lines, the build quality, even the way that it moves through the water. It all feels intentional. But it's not just about the looks. Under that shell, you've got a Bionic AI dual camera vision system, up to 30 days of autonomous cleaning on a single charge, and a 20-minute AI targeting mode that eliminates 99% of debris, which is faster than most cleaners can even get started. But before we get into all of that, let's start with what you get inside the box. Inside, you'll find the iGarden Pool Cleaner M1 itself, the charger, an additional filter, a retrieval hook, and a user manual along with a quick start guide. It's a pretty clean, simple unboxing experience. Everything you need to get up and running out of the gate is included. Now let's talk about the M1. And going back to its design, iGarden actually calls it the Aqua Vantage design, which draws inspiration from supercar aerodynamics. It also features corrosion-resistant materials, which iGarden calls Resistec, and it does a lot of heavy lifting for long-term durability. On the bottom, there's a dual grip traction system, which consists of 2 Caterpillar tracks and 4 wheels working together for some serious grip across every type of surface, whether it's vinyl, fiberglass, concrete, or tile. On the top of the unit is the Smart Touch control panel, which is an IPX8 rated waterproof touchscreen that handles everything from cleaning mode selection to turbo mode and even your AI timer settings. But you can also control everything from the iGarden app via Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi if you'd rather manage it from your phone. And the filter basket on the M1 is a 4.5 liter extra large capacity dual layer basket, which ultimately means less frequent emptying, especially after storms or heavy leaf drop. Now let's talk about what makes the M1 different from most other robot pool cleaners on the market. It starts with the Bionic AI dual camera vision. Most robot cleaners are essentially blind. They run a pre-programmed path and hope for the best. The M1 has 2 Ultra HD cameras that build 3D stereoscopic vision, powered by OmniLogic technology. It detects distance, maps boundaries, recognizes common objects like steps, drains, ladders, and debris, plus it even adapts to low light conditions by automatically activating supplemental lighting. All of that visual intelligence is processed by a quad-core high-frequency processor with a dedicated 6 TOPS neural processing unit. This is all computer jargon for basically it has a very powerful AI processor. It uses this powerful processor to do real-time intelligent path planning on the fly. It doesn't run any scripts. It's actually thinking on its own. And since I know some of you are already wondering about the cameras, all of that visual data is processed locally on the device, using hardware-level secure enclave protection. Nothing gets uploaded to the cloud, and your backyard stays completely private. This is probably my favorite feature on the M1, the AI target system. Instead of mindlessly vacuuming everything in a fixed path, the M1 uses its dual cameras and AI algorithms to actually detect, lock onto, and go straight to specific debris. Leaves on the pool floor, stones, whatever ended up there, it spots them, targets them, and cleans them up. This can ultimately speed up cleaning times significantly. For instance, you don't have to run a 2, 3, or 4 hour cleaning session in order to get the leaves off the bottom of your pool. Instead, you could just put it into AI target mode, let it run for 20 minutes, and it should get all of the large leaves off the bottom that might have popped up overnight from a storm. It also uses something called AI adaptive suction that automatically adjusts from 100% all the way up to 300% suction power based on the type of debris it's dealing with. So for more stubborn stuff, it's going to ramp up the suction, and then when it's lighter work, it's going to decrease the suction for energy savings. Once the main S-Path floor clean is done, the cameras also do a final sweep to detect and touch up anything that might have been missed. It's incredibly thorough, and it works great. Now, with all that power, you also get a lot of efficiency. So let's talk about the battery, because this is where the M1 completely separates itself from a lot of the competition out there. It's powered by Infinity Drive technology, and it runs for up to 16 hours on a single charge. For context, the industry average is about 4 to 5 hours. The M1 more than triples that. But where it gets kind of crazy is you compare that runtime with the AI timer set to, say, a 20-minute cleaning cycle every 72 hours, and the M1 can maintain your pool autonomously for up to 30 days without you touching it or charging it. You just leave it in the pool, one charge, and you get 1 full month of freedom. Now, speaking of the AI timer, Both the convenience and the peace of mind here are hard to overstate. You can schedule the M1 to automatically clean every 24, 48, or 72 hours. Set it up once and your pool is consistently maintained whether you're at home, at work, or on vacation. Now, when it comes to those cleanings, the M1 pretty much handles the entire pool outside of the surface. So you're going to get floor, walls, and waterline. You've got multiple cleaning modes depending on what you need. Floor only S-Path with AI target touch-up, walls and waterline only, walls and waterline first, then floor, full coverage, or pure AI target mode for a fast spot clean. When the M1 is running a cleaning session, it's using something called Hyper Boost technology and what iGarden calls the dual force flow system. I know it's a lot of marketing hype and jargon here, so let me break it down. It's basically two motors working in sync to increase overall flow and pressure, which means better debris pickup and serious cleaning power without killing the battery. Ultimately, it means better performance and more efficiency. So you remember those two Caterpillar tracks and four wheels I mentioned at the beginning of the video? They're actually doing a lot of real work here. The dual grip traction system handles complex pool shapes, smooth walls, curved surfaces, steps, all of it, without slipping or getting stuck. For example, in my pool, I have a couple steps and then a small shallow area. For the most part, other robotic pool cleaners just don't make it to this area, let alone clean the steps. The M1 was able to clean the steps and this area thoroughly and then shoot off of it like it was a Ferrari going off a ramp. When I was filming this video, I watched it over and over and I really got a kick out of it. It also didn't have any issues going up my pool walls or making it to the edge of the pool for me to pick it up. This is something that a couple pool cleaners that I've tested in the past had a little bit of an issue with. Now, because of how well it's able to climb my pool walls, it's able to get into practically every edge and corner where algae loves to build up. When it comes to filtration, the M1 uses a dual layer system consisting of 150 microns plus 60 microns. So it catches everything from large leaves down to fine sand and silt. What makes it really smart is the self-adjusting anti-clog design. If the first filter starts filling up, water automatically redirects through a pressure relief valve to the second filter. This means that the suction stays consistent and the cleaning never stops. Another thing to keep in mind when purchasing a robotic pool cleaner is warranty and support. Now, according to iGarden, this comes with a 3-year full machine replacement warranty and 24/7 support, which basically means that if something goes wrong, you're covered. There shouldn't be any surprise repair bills or guessing who to call. Now, I can't actually validate this because I haven't had to use the warranty or support yet, but if something were to arise, I can always do a follow-up video or post on social media if you're interested. Ultimately, I'm really surprised by the performance and just how much I love the iGarden M1. It cleans exceptionally well, and it does so very efficiently. I love the design. I love all of its cleaning capabilities. The app is very easy and straightforward, and the AI target mode means that I can do quick cleanups right before I have company come over in order to spot clean the pool. Not only that, but being able to leave it in my pool for up to 30 days and take advantage of the AI timer means that it's pretty much a hands-off experience, and that's something that I am a big fan of. Okay, so let's wrap this up and talk about who the M1 is for. If you have a larger or more complex pool, deal with heavy debris from nearby trees, or just want a truly hands-free setup, the M1 is a smart investment. The 30-day battery autonomy combined with the AI timer is a completely different level of convenience compared to anything else in this space, at least that I've tested. But I guess the big question is, would I recommend it? And honestly, absolutely. The AI targeting, the runtime, the wall coverage, the filtration, it all just comes together into something that looks amazing and genuinely just works. And at the end of the day, that's what matters most, is buying something that you can depend on. If you want to learn more about the iGarden Pool Cleaner M1 or check out the other products that iGarden makes, you can find links in the description as well as the pinned comment. Go check them out and compare the models and their lineup and get yours locked in before the summer heat really kicks in, because your pool should be ready to go the second that you want to jump in it. Before you go, I do have a big favor to ask. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping it a like and hit subscribe if you don't want to miss future videos just like this. Also, let me know in the comments, how much are you currently spending on your pool service every month? I'm curious what the math looks like for you. And of course, I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.